Good morning, child of God. I am Christina, and I'm really honored to be speaking to you today. Every morning, the Jewish people have spoken these words to express their devotion to God. It is there in Deuteronomy 6:4. Israel calls it the Shema. It says, "Hear, O Israel, the Lord is our God. The Lord is one. You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your strength." Shema means listen or hear it, and you have to obey Him. It says, "You shall love the Lord your God with all your heart, and with all your soul, and with all your strength." What does it mean to love the Lord your God? In Hebrew, the word love means ahava. So you receive love from God and you share this love to others. And what does it mean to love God with your heart? The Hebrew word for heart is levav or lev. Heart is not only an organ. Many times in the Bible, heart is used interchangeably with the mind. For example, in the Bible, you know with your heart. In the book of Proverbs, it says, "Wisdom dwells in the heart." Solomon used his heart to discern between truth and error. In the Bible, the heart is where you feel emotions, you feel pain, you feel fear and distress. You also feel happiness with your heart. Bible speaks of heart of joy. So, we make choices motivated by our desires. So, heart is a place where we feel emotions, but also we think logically, we make decisions from our heart. So it is said, guard your heart, because from it flows your whole life. Jeremiah says, "The heart of a person is deceitful above all things." So how do we love the Lord our God with our heart? If we have to love the Lord our God with all our heart, we must remove evil and stubbornness from our heart. David asks God to create in me a clean heart. Prophet Ezekiel prays to remove the heart of stone and put a heart of flesh in the people. To love God, we should every day love Him with our whole will, our understanding, and our emotions. A good example of ahava love is the love of David. What did David do? David went in the quiet places and he spent time with God, praying and seeking the will of God for everything. He also wrote psalms which came out of his soul for the Lord. And David was called a man after God's own heart. In conclusion, to love or ahava God with all your heart means to love Him not only with your emotions, but with your mind and with your will, and with determination to go to your quiet place to seek His will for your life and worship Him just as David did in the Bible, and to make an active choice to give to humanity, the less fortunate, because that pleases God, and that is loving God with your whole heart. So far, we have seen the word Shema, which means listen and obey God. We have learned the word Ahava, which is the unconditional love of God. We receive it and we love God back, learning what Avaha is from Him. We have learned also to love the Lord with all your heart. Tomorrow, we will learn what it means to love the Lord with our soul. If you are blessed by this series on the Shema, kindly like, share and subscribe. Until tomorrow, it's me, Christina, wishing you a peaceful and fulfilling day. Bye for now.